In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an additional broker account in TradingView. This is really useful if you trade with more than one broker, or if you've opened a new account and want to manage everything from a single TradingView interface. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any chart will do. At the bottom or side of your chart, you should see the trading panel. This is the area where you connect brokers, place orders, and manage positions. If you don't see it yet, look for a tab or small bar labeled Trading Panel and click on it to open the panel. Once the trading panel is visible, locate your currently connected broker account. You should see the broker's name and usually the specific account that's already connected. Right beside your current account details, there's a small arrow icon. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This expands a menu related to your broker connection and shows options for switching accounts or managing them. When that menu opens, look for the option that says Create Account and click on it. This is the key step for adding an additional broker account. What this does is start the process of connecting another account from the same broker or, depending on the integration, adding a new login under that broker's connection. After you click Create Account, TradingView will guide you through the remaining steps specific to your broker. In most cases, you'll either be redirected to your broker's login page, or a small window will appear asking you to sign in or authorize TradingView. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you're adding a second account with the same broker, make sure you use the correct login details for that additional account. Once the process is complete, your new broker account should appear in the same menu where you clicked the arrow earlier. You'll be able to switch between accounts directly from the trading panel and choose which one you want to use when placing trades. That's all there is to it. By opening the trading panel, expanding the account menu with the arrow, and selecting Create Account, you can quickly add an additional broker